last time we touched the 618, and then we saw a decent size rally to the upside. Another indicator that is kind of flashing, we aren't printing a buy signal yet, but I'm expecting that to spawn in here pretty soon. We normally don't go down in this green area often. You can see our last time was December 2024, which was that wick bottom. Other than that, man, we haven't been down here since August of 2024. So that's already showing how oversold Dogecoin is. And the big indicator right here, guys, this is huge, is the stock RSI. The stock RSI, yes, we are blue below orange, which is technically bearish, but I think this is a fake out. I definitely think this is a fake out according to all the fibs, all the technicals that we've been looking at recently. I'm not going to be reliant on this one fib alone. I think we're in just a slight fake out right here, and then we'll start seeing a rally to the upside. Every time we've came down to this general level, it's been followed by a rally to the overbought area, guys. Every single time. Every single time. So I know it sucks. Buy fear, sell greed. That's how money's made. Money's transferred from the impatient to the patient, and that's exactly what's happening here. Some people see this crash on Dogecoin and be like, oh my gosh, it's going to zero. It's not going to zero, guys. We have all the way till the end of October to November of this year where the bull run ends to make some money, and the overall momentum should be bullish on Dogecoin. Now, if we look at the week chart, this gives us just a broader view of the entire market for Dogecoin. And as of right now, and we're gonna just clear everything up. As of right now, it's not looking bad. Now, the weekly, this is the first time we crossed over bearish in a while. Like I'll give you guys that. Since October 2024, this is the first time we crossed over bearish on the weekly, which is kind of concerning. But overall, the blanket above it all is we are in a bull run. The overall momentum for most, if not all, most crypto, especially a top coin like Dogecoin, is going to be bullish. The RSI is not looking bad. The WTX doesn't look bad. And the big thing in the weekly, like if anything, this is where it means a lot for the stock RSI. The stock RSI is pretty much reset on the weekly. That's huge. That is absolutely huge. We've already completed our retracement there on the stock RSI on the weekly, and we haven't seen any substantial retracement. So I'm really not too concerned about that whatsoever. So the big thing that we want to focus on here for Dogecoin is staying above 25 cents. I don't think we're to break that. And then if you just look at the larger fib here, this will give us our possible bull run scenario. You can see our bull run scenario, we do have a fib at 80 cents, which was our prior high, our prior high that we experienced last bull run, right? That's around this top right here. I think we're easily going to smash through that. And then you have your next fib at the 1236, which is about $3. And then here's where the hopium spawns in. You have a golden ratio all the way up here at $35. Now that's insane. That's insane. I'll even admit it myself. $35 Dogecoin probably isn't going to happen unless Elon incorporates it with SpaceX and X and Twitter and all that stuff, and it becomes just like a major staple where you can pay off your taxes in Dogecoin. But if that never happens, I would be realistically looking for like a $3 to $5 Dogecoin this bull run. It's technically speaking valid, and I do think we're easily going to smash above $1. We've never hit above $1 before, so the big thing is when we get to that dollar area, that is going to be a very, very, very heavy resistance areas to overtake. But nonetheless, it's, in my personal opinion, it's going to happen. We will be at that dollar area. It's just some people need to go outside and touch grass. We're really not falling. Like we're really not falling here on Dogecoin, guys. Everything's looking really solid. If anything, we're just replicating. Let's actually go. I think it's the 3-day. We're actually replicating what we did in the prior bull run. You can see it, this sideways consolidation. Then we had our secondary rally to the upside right here, and we had the pullback and continuation. I think that's what's just happening, just on a much grander scale. You see what I'm talking about? We had the 1-2 sideways consolidation. We had the 1-2 sideways consolidation. We had the initial pump up right here, which just brought us below the prior all-time high from 2018, and then we broke it and continued way higher. I think that's exactly what's happening right now. You can see 1-2 consolidation, just barely away from the all-time high, and then a rally to the upside. I think that is what's currently happening right now, but at a much greater scale, because obviously the market cap's way higher and there's a lot more money involved in this. But nonetheless, I do think Dogecoin will easily hit the $3 to $5 range this bull run. And as of right now, man, if anything, we are in the final phases of the bull run. The bull run's going to be over end of October, beginning of November this year. Every dip is an opportunity to accumulate more, because those last couple months of this year are to be absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. My plan is just to accumulate as much crypto as possible before the end of this year, because the end of the year is when things are to start being euphoric and everything, and that's usually the best time to get out. But overall, I would be focusing on 25 cent support. If anything, if you're able to pick up Dogecoin at 25 cents, in my personal opinion, that'd be a steal. So keep an eye on that, guys. As always, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.